Okay, so I'm a bad influence and somebody did a thing. Let's see what the thing is. So it's a box. There's not just one box, there's two boxes. So what do we have in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? New headlamps for the mighty ST. Getting really bad reflections, but they look really nice. New lights for the mighty ST. So these come with all the bulbs. It does come with a day running light, but it doesn't seem to have a connection for that, so we'll have a look at that in a moment. But how cool are they going to look? You can't, I'm getting a lot of reflection from my new lights up here, aren't I? But how cool are these going to look? Let's see if I can get it. There you go. How's that? Is that a bit better? Not a lot really. So we're going to put these on the mighty ST. Let's go for it, because that's going to look totally different. So we're just going to undo, obviously, the stock bolts. Get myself a nice little tray to hold them in. So, got my nice little tray there to hold my bolts into. We've got the little clip down here, and we've got to try getting this screw out, haven't we? We unclip the grill a little bit. And undo this without taking the whole car apart again. Much easier than doing it on the Mad 350. Right, that one's almost out. Right, that's our 3 bolts. Now, she has got a little cable tie here holding the grill up a bit further. All the grill surround, so let's just trim that off. Now this headlamp is pretty much ready to come out. Don't need a pair of sunglasses on. As you can see, it's the evening. Right, wiggle it about a bit. We'll get the bottom bit. There goes the top bit, and that's our headlamp out. Hopefully you can see this and not just my arse. Right, and then unclipped the connector. So that's the connector unclipped. Let's see how this new one goes in. So we actually need this headlamp. So this is the headlamp for the passenger side, which is going to look nuts. Let's just lay this on here a minute. I just want to interrupt this video very quickly to thank Wheel Revive, who are sponsoring today's video. They can help you with all of your wheel refurbishment and repairs. Their website is up here, and that is their telephone number. Right, well, let's get back to this video. Let's go. So let's just take off. Connector looks good. Now I do think this day running light is going to have to be connected separately. Let's just take this off. We don't need this. So unwrap them basically, but I'm not going to unwrap it totally. I'm just going to get it off of the front so we're not in chance of damaging anything while we're putting it on. Right, let's have a quick look at these connections. Is this just going to plug straight in? Yeah, plug and play. So that's really good. The only thing is this day running light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some research on that. I'm just going to unplug this for a moment and leave the plug in here so we can get to it at another time. So you can see I've just put it over here. So hopefully now what we can do is just line the headlamp up. I'm going to just put a cable tie around that so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm just going to put a cable tie to it to hold it up here so it doesn't go anywhere. May not even need it. I don't know what these headlamps are going to do. Actually, now it's rested in the car, I'll go and turn the lights on. We can see what it does.
A few moments later.
Just side lights first. Let's see what the side light does. Right, okay, so I've got the car keys now. I'm going to go set the keys in the ignition. It does say that these are plug and play, so this should work. Okay, we've got a day running light, that's good. So that's good. Yeah. So we don't need any connection for the day running light. I'm guessing that's going to be the full beam and then the indicator. So let's just give it a quick look. I'll put you on the box for a minute, hopefully. So they are plug and play. So the lighting is going to be really hard to see, but let's give it a full beam. Full beam's going to be that one. That's full beam. How does full beam look? So full beam's the inner ones. Okay, that's quite cool. Turns the inner ones. The inner ones go full beam, and the ones before that are the side lights. Take the full beam off, go to side lights, and let's stick the hazard lights on. Yeah, so this one's side light, this one is full beam, and the indicators are working. So they are plug and play. That's really impressive. So obviously I should have had more faith. They are 100% plug and play. So I've just plugged in that one thing. I'm not quite sure why it has this other connection. So we will just insulate that off and keep it up there out of the way. Right, well let's actually get the headlamp in. Okay, I've gone blind because the light's been in my eyes now. I've tried showing you. Oh, it's not, it's right here. I'm trying to put it in the wrong place. So we'll try putting the headlamp in there and then pushing it back on the clip. Nearly had it that time. So close. Should use my light so I can see what I'm doing. You guys can see what I'm doing, but I can't. Oh, I was so close to having it in there then. There we go, clipped in and pushed back. Don't need this on anymore. Right, we can take this plastic off. It's in the way now. Right, there we go, she slid in. Everything sits perfect. So I've got to say, the fitment looks perfect. I am very impressed. Right, let's put our awkward bolt back in first. So that's the one that goes down here. The bolt that goes down here is a pain in the butt because it's behind the grille. But you don't have to take the whole thing apart if you persevere. And like I say, I'd rather persevere and do this than take the bumper off.
let's go. It's time to be the GOAT. It's time to enter God mode, man, let's get it going. I wanna be the greatest, energy is overflowing. I know I'm stoking the fire, my desire's taking over, not tired, I'm inspired, rewired. I know just what is required. My brain knows how to decipher the messages, looking brighter. Already paid up the pipe, but my game is getting much tighter. I feel my body on fire, now it's game time. All the practice to prepare for this main time. I could do anything, that's my baseline. Go ahead and do you, I'ma make mine. You gon' read me in the headlines. Always go up, I don't know a decline. On the glow up, getting better with time. Yeah, I'm about to hit my prime. The air is filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams, we must defend.
Okay, so look, the headlamps are now on and fitted. They fitted so easily, and it gives the car such an aggressive look. Definitely fitting the WRC look. Right, well, let's go for our side lights, which come up like DLR lights. They're really, really bright, so it's hard to actually get a video of it. And then normal side lights, and you can see that's one of them, and then full beam, and that gives you all of it. Proper bobbity dazzlers. You just need a light bar to go across the front now, I think. Oh, and the indicators, which I didn't even think about that. Well, these were an absolute pleasure to fit. They were really, really good. And obviously you can get them on Amazon. We'll leave you a link down there. And please hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. And we'll see you in another video. Take care.